Hi, Tom McPherson here. In this week's Circle Line Art School drawing, I'll show you one way to draw a house using two-point perspective. Two-point perspective is a useful drawing technique when drawing buildings because it allows us to create the illusion of depth for things receding away from us. And parallel lines will look like they're receding towards the two vanishing points. Start by drawing a horizontal line across the middle of your page, and then two vanishing points, one at either end. Next, we can draw a vertical line for the nearest corner of the building. Then draw some guidelines to the right and the left vanishing point. Next, we can draw a vertical line on the left and the right of the original vertical line, and this will create the basic structure of the building, using two-point perspective. Now we can divide up this structure by using receding lines to the two vanishing points and some vertical lines too. We could also add more structures in the same way, starting with basic shapes and then adding details later on. For this drawing, I'm using a 4B pencil, a A4 piece of paper, although I'm not using all of the paper, and a black ink pen and a marker pen in grey marker pen too. If you'd like to learn more about drawing buildings in perspective, please visit my website circlelineartschool.com, where you can find details of my online drawing courses. We could draw a swimming pool in the foreground, maybe, and add some shading. Next up, see the drawing in real time so that you can follow along. Thanks for watching. I hope you find this drawing useful for your own drawings. Please like if you like and comment in the comments below. I read all the comments and it's really useful to know what sort of drawings you'd like to see next. Thanks a lot and see you next time. Thank you for watching this drawing tutorial from Circle Line Art School. If you'd like to join one of my online drawing courses, please visit my website, circlelineartschool.com, where you'll find full details of all of my online drawing courses. Thanks for watching and see you next time.